Well, how are we progressing?
Another thing you want to do is when you're tapping this, you want to kind of put just a little bit of pressure on this as you're tapping it. Because if not, it just kind of bounces around this way.
I knew that from watching the videos. I should have known better.
Remember, you just want it really close to the line, but not on the line. Yeah.
All right, Bill, I think I got
it. Good job.
It's just a fuzz low over there, but it's all right. Well, what do you think? First block.
a lot of work. If it was just me doing this, we'd be here.
It just took you 6 minutes. It's all right. All takes practice, right?
Yeah.
Do you have any words of encouragement for those young block layers out there? Aspiring block layers?
Hire someone.
I think y'all are doing a great job, though.
Thanks, me.
We're missing our brawn today, that's for sure, so they have me on mixing duty.
Race against the clock. All right, guys. Apparently, there is a cloud to ground lightning out here, and we're all holding metal shovels and trowels and all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna probably pack up and be done because we don't want to get hit by lightning. So I think we're gonna call it a day.
There, we're at that tiny little green cloud at the very bottom, but then there's, after I ford it, there's literally nothing going after that. It's where it's clear.
All right.
So,
well, let's try to let this pass then.
it's about 10-15 minutes of this, and then we should be fine. We got enough chairs, got cold beer in the fridge.
Yep. Bill, I definitely don't think that's hardening in the rain.
It's my kind of work day. We got a lot done. Yeah, 15 minutes of work and it's already beer 30. I love it. That's great.
Nick, I'm gonna set this inside this half plate.
All right, well.
Well, so much for this, huh?
You need to get a gutter up.
What's good though is you can see all of it flows away from your property, or away from your house. So that's good.
For the most part. You gotta build it all up still. Hearing
We
really
gotta
get
build
the
it up
weather.
over there, man. That's what you gotta build it up.
Look at it running down through here.
Oh yeah.
You see that?
Cool. Oh, God.
Oh my god.
See that? The footings are
Holy. Y'all. Oh my God. What are we gonna do about this?
The water's almost filled up on the backside of this foot of the boat.
Oh, you got 5 floating.
like not good.
That's why all this is filled up. If they just run down the driveway, that's why this is what it is.
Well, we're probably done for the day, would you say?
I would say so.
So much for trying to keep this mud right here dry.
Yeah, that's not happening. All right, well, hey, Corey, thanks for coming over to help.
Absolutely. Anytime you need help in 15 minutes, I'm there.
Well, guys,
At the last block here. Time.
where? Oh, this trap of death? Yeah. Come here, O. No, sir.
How's my hair?
Fabulous. Cool. All right, guys. We're done.
All
There we
finished.
go, man. Looks
Got to
good.
block all the legs. The only thing we have left to do is the garage, but we're going to wait on the garage until we get all the framing done because we're going to have to drive the trucks across the garage to where the master bedroom is at. So we're going to start Tuesday night.
Boom. I love it.
See you then. Y'all have a good weekend.
Let's do it.
All right, hold on. I gotta take a
Love
picture.
y'all.
Oh, there you go. GoPro, take a picture. No, it didn't work. No.
GoPro, take a picture.
Oh, you can just edit out a picture.
You can do that.
Maybe you can't
Click
actually
the
hear
top. That was it. Hey, did it take a picture or is it
it. No, it's
recording?
probably video.
It took a picture.
All right,
did?
let's try that again. All right, somebody's got to yell at it.
Bro, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
What are we doing?
GoPro, start picture.